Okay guys, let's get started with your favorite dose of gossip from B-Town. It seems like the Khans love controversies. Shah Rukh Khan has done it again. इस बार King Khan ने कर दिया है politicians को target. Check out his latest statement. Somebody told me politicians all around the world abuse in public and hug in private. Actors all around the world hug in public and abuse in private. I'm a good man. Well, we hope आपके घर के बाहर फैंस की भीड़ political protesters में transform ना हो जाए, शाहरुख.
तो I think जिस इंसान में माफ करने की क्षमता है, I think वो बहुत बड़ा दिल वाला होता है.
Shraddha Kapoor has finally come out in public to clarify the rumors about her link-up with Farhan Akhtar. Even in the past, I have been linked up with people and it is not fair to me. It is unfair to an actor that working together and then when you give the interview, you're talking so much about the film, but the headline of the interview is whatever I have said about this question right now. I feel it is very unfair to me if you will not talk about the film, but something along the lines of the link-up. Well, Shraddha, Bollywood में any publicity is good publicity. इसके बारे में तो आपने सुना होगा. And if this gets your film any attention, why not?
Actually, इतना आप खुद का टाइम देते हो, आपके इमोशंस देते हो, so it's very difficult to say. I can't ever say that.
Bollywood filmmakers का फिल्म्स के क्लैश को लेकर कंट्रोवर्सी में होना seems like a trend these days. Look at the next big mess that's awaited. Farhan Akhtar's Raees clashing with Hrithik's Qabil. But if you think another big fight is about to happen, then hang on, cause Farhan has gone the smarter way. Roshan uncle and Hrithik are family. I want their film to do just as well, if not better than ours. Now that's a good plan, Farhan. Release date shift भी नहीं की और diplomacy से controversy को avoid भी कर लिया. We wish you could give some lessons to Karan and Ajay as well.
The fact is, if somebody is planning your life for you, it's very difficult for you to achieve everything that you set out for yourself.
Aamir Khan always manages to do things that nobody else usually does. Look at the holiday destinations he chooses to celebrate special days. Have you heard the latest? Aamir Khan अपनी wife Kiran Rao का birthday अरुणाचल प्रदेश में celebrate करेंगे. Not bad, Aamir. While other stars choose exotic foreign locations to party, you manage to set new trends.
जहाँ दिल है अपने को वहाँ जाना है.
Pariniti Chopra must be on cloud 9. No, not for losing weight. Guess what? Pariniti has bagged a Rohit Shetty film. Yes, Pariniti is a part of the next Golmaal series and will be seen playing a quirky character. Well, good for her. एक big banner superhit film की Pariniti से ज्यादा और किसी को जरूरत नहीं हो सकती. No Pariniti?
I mean, वो मेरे हाथ में है कि एक दिन जब मैं अलग-अलग काम करके दिखाऊंगी तो आप लोग अपना ओपिनियन बदल लेंगे.
Shahid Kapoor has been blacklisted by his friends. We'll tell you why. Apparently, all the friends avoid eating at his house and run away with some excuse or the other. We don't blame them. अगर पार्टी में invite करके शाहिद उन्हें diet food offer करेंगे, तो who will not look for an escape route? We hope Meera has brought some hope for not just Shahid but his friends as well.
I feel that all these guys are very, very fortunate that they're getting this opportunity.
Sonakshi Sinha is taking her action image quite seriously. Thank God she's finally over her singing fever. वैसे, do you know who inspires Sonakshi to do the action she's been doing lately? It's Ajay Devgan, Salman Khan, John Abraham and others. Well, Sonakshi, we hope आप action के साथ acting skills पे भी inspiration ले, so that we can see you as an actress as well.
I think I've worked with them the past 5 years. I've been working with these guys and उनसे मैंने ये सभी सीखा है, मारपीट ही सीखी है उनसे.
Arjun Kapoor has tried all that he could to become a successful actor, but looks like he has cracked the deal. Finally, Arjun has some hope and has managed to get Anil Kapoor as his savior. Arjun और अनिल एक comedy में साथ दिखेंगे. Good for you, Arjun. At least this one may do the magic that none of your movies could do.
I'll keep that in mind.
Wait till Hot Wire is back with more news and updates from Bollywood.